So today I'm doing a little fall, I guess vlog type video. I'm gonna be showing you my Halloween, almost a Halloween Christmas there, my fall decorations, and I'm gonna be baking chocolate chip pumpkin cookies. And I have a little small vlog where I bought Wallace and Wade back there that I will show you. It's very small. I just thought it'd be a little bit fun, I guess. I had fun doing it, but it's, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I can't wait to do a bunch of Halloween and fall makeup and other decoration videos. And there's a little bit of Christmas in that vlog, so you might want to skip over that if you're not that Christmassy of a person, but I think we all need a little Christmas joy. Christmas. I generally really want this. I don't know if I want this because I want a frog, but Mom won't let me get a frog. Should I get the little skeleton frog? He kind of scares me, but now he's kind of growing on me. I have a little gingerbread section. Mommy likes the houses.
I don't know, I still want to do it.
They have a gingerbread kitty and doggy. And I really like this set. May holiday wishes made with gingerbread hugs and peppermint kisses. Oh, it's so cute. Guys, I really want that. That's like what I see in my dreams. In a good way. We found part of the spooky ooky section. We have a lot of skeletons. Pumpkin sweets, spooky treats. We got a ghosty. I like ghosts. I definitely want to take pictures like this. They have an alien skeleton. Mom, they have an alien skeleton. I really want it.
The what?
They have an alien skeleton. Mom.
We'll get you one.
Friend to go with Reggie. I just need to figure out how to name him. Or what to name him. Oh.
Sorry.
guys. I need to turn Zoella off. I'm watching her autumn videos because they are amazing. So, yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And the pumpkin cookies turned out good, but I don't know, maybe it's just the way I made them, but I did leave them in for an hour, so maybe it does need a little bit longer, or actually I don't think that'll make a difference, but anyways, they're missing something, so I'd add some cinnamon or more of the pumpkin pie spice, and so I think I'm gonna try to make a glaze for them. But me and Gregory are going to go to bed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in my next one. And I'm so excited to make some holiday ones. So yeah, my friends and I were talking about doing a ghost photo shoot because I really like those. And I've always wanted to do one, I'm not gonna lie. Just do a Halloween photo shoot in general will be fun. So maybe I'll vlog that. And yeah, we should have some fun days ahead. I hope you like my decorations and that little vlog. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!